Here I have REALME GT 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the accessibility section, go to the system settings, then to the accessibility, vision, Talkback. Here you can enable Talkback. After that, Talkback tutorial starts, and it starts like talking non-stop. So when you're in Talkback, you can perform any action by firstly tapping on it and then double tap it to confirm it. So for example, if you want to disable it, select it here, then double tap, and then once again. And that's how you can do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.